Welcome to the 1 Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit Korean Moody tone in Lightroom. Here are some example photos of before and after using this preset. So let's start editing. First go to the basic. Bring temperature to +5. And tint +6. -50 to contrast. And highlights. Shadow +30. -25 for whites. And bring blacks to +30. Now go to the presence. Vibrance +45. And -10 to saturation. And done. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Saturation +50. And luminance to +30. Then go to the orange. Hue -10. -5 to saturations. And luminance +20. Next go to the yellow. -100 to hue. Saturations -60. And +10 to luminance. Now go to the green. Hue and saturation -100. And luminance +50. Next bring hue to -100 for aqua and blue. Now go to the purple. Hue -100. Saturation -60. And +50 to luminance. Finally go to the magenta. -5 to hue. Saturation -70. And luminance +35. And done. Next go to the noise reduction. Luminance noise reduction 12. And color noise reduction 10. And now your preset is ready. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.